If the admin wants to create a new group, what they can do is from the header, they will first navigate to the users. Once they click that, they would be taken to the all users page. Now here from the sidebar, the admin would need to go to the groups page. Once they click on groups, they would be taken to this page. This page contains a table. In this table, all the groups that has been created by the admin would be shown here. You can see that currently there is one group here. If the admin wants to create a new group, above the table on the right side, there is a button called new group. The admin would click on that. A module will open up. Here, the admin would need to enter the name of the group. Once they have done that, the admin would select the students whom they want to put in a group. Once the students have been selected, the admin would select a tutor. Once they've added the tutor, they can add one tutor or multiple tutors. Then the admin can view the details, the students and tutors they've added. Once all the details are reviewed by the admin, they would click on create. As soon as they do that, you can see that the group has been created. In case the admin would like to edit out this group, what they can do is you can see that at the end of each row, there's a button with a three dot. The admin would click on that, and there are two options, edit and delete. If the admin wants to edit this particular group, be it add more students or tutors or remove any of them. So the same model will open up and the admin can do the actions. And once they click on save, the changes would get saved. And if the admin wants to delete the group, within this model only, on the left side at the bottom, there's a delete group button. The admin can click on that, or they can do that by this menu also. There's a delete button. The admin will click on that. A confirmation model will get triggered. So once the admin confirms, this group would get deleted. So this is how the admin adds a group, and then if they want, they can edit